Raga, solo a me con queste cose, eh? Grazie, raggi. Ma a tratti Ostia Beach.
Mother Nature's fireworks. I've seen some pretty active lightning storms in my time. One time in Nebraska, absolutely incredible storm, but this one, I tell you what, it's almost on par with one of the most active lightning storms I've ever seen in my life. Some cloud of grounds, cloud of cloud. It's been a long day, tornadoes and one storm after another. And as we make our way towards our hotel, we're treated to a bit of a show. Hope you've enjoyed the live stream. For those who haven't joined us, join us on Patreon. And it's been a very interesting day indeed. But this is the end of the show as we make our way towards the hotel for the night in North Dakota. What an absolutely incredible show. The whole sky just lights up. Join us live at severestorms.com.au. Check this out.